Friends, Mrs. Skiffington here to take you through your math choice board today. Okay, so first we're going to start with our Envisions math book, and you're going to find practice page 5-3. Practice page 5-3 looks like this. See, and so you're going to count the objects and then trace the numbers for the first few, and then count the objects and write the numbers. Please do count the numbers, the objects, even though they give you the number. It's really good practice, especially those tricky teens. They get a little crazy around 15 and 16. So please make sure you count and then trace, okay? And then count and then write. That's your first one. Your next one is in the packet for the January math packet. And it's 5-3, and you can see these are right on the top as well. So you're looking for 5-3, and I put the little objects that you're counting, so it's counting pigs. So that is right here for 16 and 17. So again, just like that last page, you're going to make sure you count all the objects, mark them off, because it is easy to lose track. Mark them off as you go, and you're going to trace, and then down here, right, okay? So that's your next must-do activity. Your last must-do activity is to practice writing your numbers in order. You don't have a paper for that. You can do it on any piece of paper, but start at 1 and write your numbers all the way to 20. This is just practice, but it's great practice because it's a skill that we need to build for the end of the year. So go ahead and do that on any piece of paper you can find. That's great. Your choice activities, going across the bottom. Your first one is move and count bugs. Boom cards, last time you did move and count school supplies, so this is very similar, but just bugs. So do that. It's another good one-to-one activity for you. Your next choice activity is highlight the teen numbers. That is in this packet. I marked it off for myself because I keep losing it. So that looks like this. You see the little bear laying at the top. So you're going to highlight all the teen numbers. It says remember numbers in the teen start with 1. So you're looking for numbers that start with 1, not numbers that end with 1. Okay, and yes, I know that this paper uses the ones we don't use in school, but these are the ones. They just have a couple extra lines. Okay, so that is another choice activity. And your last choice activity, which I'm going to keep putting on the choice board until I see some of you get on there and play around with, is eSpark. I've only had a couple of students so far try it out. Give it a shot when you make a choice. If you feel like being on the computer, that's good. It's a good place to go. All right, so that those are your kindergarten math choices for today. See you soon.